Hey there, explorers. Are you ready to go on a little trip? We don't need a car or a plane for this one. Just our bodies and our imagination. Today we're going to learn a rhythmic Tai Chi move called rowing the boat. This move is all about flow. Imagine you're sitting in a wooden boat on a lake, so still it looks like a giant mirror. The water is calm and the air is fresh. Let's get our oars ready. Stand with your feet nice and steady. Now reach both of your arms forward and slightly down, as if you're reaching for the water. Now here's the secret. Pull your hands back toward your waist in a smooth, round circle. Reach out and pull back, reach out and pull back. As you reach forward, take a soft breath in. As you pull the oars back toward your belly, let a long breath out. Reach and breathe, pull and relax. Can you feel how smooth that motion is? It's not a race. We aren't trying to win a speedboat contest. We are gliding through the water. The more repetitive and steady you stay, more your body starts to feel like a gentle wave. Kids love this move because it's so soothing. If you ever feel like your day is moving too fast, or if things feel a little choppy like a stormy sea, you can just stop and row your boat. It helps your heart and your head find a steady, happy rhythm again. Keep rowing through your calm lake, and I'll see you on the next shore for our next Tai Chi move.
Pretty perfect.